Are you ready to join the crispy revolution without sacrificing counter space? Welcome to the delightful world of small air fryers. These compact culinary wonders are perfect for whipping up guilt-free goodies without turning your kitchen into a grease-splattered disaster zone. Whether you want to make crispy fries, succulent chicken wings, or even bake a tiny cake, we've got the scoop on the best small air fryers that pack a punch. Let's dive in and discover how you can fry right in your tiny kitchen. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in! Number 5. DASH Tasti-Crisp, our pick for best budget small air fryer. If you've been dreaming of crispy, delicious meals without drowning your food in oil, the DASH Tasti-Crisp air fryer is your new best buddy. This compact powerhouse isn't just any appliance, it's a game changer in the world of cooking. With its air crisp technology, you can wave goodbye to added fats as it magically reduces them by 70 to 80%. Who needs extra calories when you can enjoy guilt-free crunchiness? Let's be honest. The kitchen can sometimes feel like a battlefield, but with this gray delight on your countertop, cooking becomes as easy as Sunday morning brunch. Just load up the non-stick basket, set your desired temp and timer, and voila, crispy perfection in minutes. Whether you're whipping up a solo dinner or feeding your bestie, this mini air fryer is the perfect sidekick. It's small enough for cozy apartments, dorms, or recreational vehicles. Basically, it fits wherever you do. Don't worry about fumbling with settings. Its digital interface and 3 custom preset buttons make it as easy as a walk in the park. Oh, and did we mention the auto shutoff feature? Your food will thank you for not getting overly crispy. So why settle for soggy when you can have scrumptious? It's time to step up your kitchen game with the DASH Tasti-Crisp air fryer. For food that's healthy, crispy, and downright irresistible, your taste buds will be throwing a party. Number 4. Chefman 6-quart air fryer, our pick for best large capacity small air fryer. If you're ready to elevate your cooking game without sacrificing countertop space or your sanity, then the Chefman air fryer is about to become your new kitchen sidekick. Seriously, this beauty packs a whopping 6-quart capacity, while still being sleek enough to fit snugly on your counter or slip into your cabinets, because we all know space is at a premium in most kitchens. With digital touch controls and 4 preset functions, you can whip up delicious meals for 3 to 5 people faster than it takes to argue about what to order for dinner. Craving extra crispy chicken tenders or fries? Just crank it up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit during the last 2 minutes. Oh yeah, that's the crunch you've been dreaming of. And let's talk healthy. With little to no oil required, you can indulge guilt-free while still savoring mouth-watering flavors. Plus, thanks to the LED shake notifications, you'll be reminded to give your food a little shimmy halfway through cooking for impeccable results. Cleanup? A breeze. Both the non-stick basket and rack are dishwasher safe, so you can kick back and relax after a successful meal. Plus, with automatic shutoff technology, you'll never again ponder the mystery of what it feels like to burn dinner. Your taste buds and your kitchen will thank you. Still searching for the perfect small air fryer? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Cosori TurboBlaze, our pick for best fast cooking small air fryer. If you're tired of those clunky air fryers that take ages to cook your favorite meals, you're in for a treat with the Cosori TurboBlaze, the culinary superstar that redefines fast cooking. This little gem boasts TurboBlaze technology, featuring a powerful 3600 revolutions per minute fan that whips up temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Say goodbye to soggy dinners and hello to a crispy, juicy perfection that'll have your taste buds dancing. With 9 versatile cooking functions and a 5-level fan speed, you can channel your inner gourmet chef without breaking a sweat. Whether it's crispy fries or roasted veggies, this beast serves up even cooking with a texture that'll make you second-guess that takeout menu. The real magic? A 6-quart square basket that's perfect for family-sized meals in one go, freeing up your precious counter space. Plus, it's so quiet you might forget it's cooking. Operating at under 53 decibels, it creates a serene kitchen vibe while whipping up amazing dishes. And here's the icing on the cake. You can enjoy all your fried favorites with up to 95% less oil. Yes, you heard that right. Fried food without the guilt. Now you and your family can indulge in crispy delights without the greasy aftermath. Welcome to guilt-free feasting with the Cosori TurboBlaze, where fast cooking meets deliciousness. Who knew guilt could taste so good? Number 2. Instant Pot Vortex Plus, our pick for best programmable small air fryer. If you've ever dreamed of culinary magic that fits snugly on your countertop without hogging space, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus is about to become your new best friend. This compact powerhouse isn't just your average air fryer. It's a kitchen wizard with 6 cooking functions that let you air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, or reheat with a snap of your fingers. No long preheating dances required. Adjusting the temperature is as easy as dialing up your favorite playlist, ranging from a cozy 95 degrees Fahrenheit to a fiery 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're craving crispy chicken wings or gooey cinnamon buns, the Vortex Plus has got your back. It's like having a personal sous chef who always knows your go-to order. With its 4-quart capacity, it's perfect for serving up to 4 hungry souls, making it ideal for students, singles, or small families. Plus, thanks to Even Crisp technology, you can achieve that coveted crunch with a whopping 95% less oil than traditional frying. So, say goodbye to greasy messes and hello to crispy delights with just a wave of your hand. The Instant Pot. Vortex Plus isn't just a kitchen appliance. It's your ticket to quick, delicious meals that impress without the stress. Your taste buds will thank you. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Ninja Pro AF141, our pick for best small air fryer overall. If you've ever desired perfectly crispy fries or mouth-watering chicken wings without the guilt, the Ninja Pro AF141 is your culinary soulmate. This air fryer isn't just small, it's a powerhouse packed with all the features you need to elevate your cooking game. Who knew a sleek black appliance could take your countertop from mundane to magical? With the ingenious air crisp technology, you'll bask in the glory of 400 Fahrenheit superheated air swirling around your food. It creates a golden, crispy finish with little to no oil. Yep, you heard that right. Your favorite fried foods can now make their comeback without the heavy calorie baggage. You'll be serving up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings in its spacious 5-quart non-stick basket, making it ideal for gatherings or binge-watching sessions. But wait, there's more. This little genius does it all. Air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Craving those frozen snacks you stashed away? Cook them in a flash and enjoy a crunch that'll leave your taste buds dancing. Plus, Ninja's savvy design saves you precious countertop space, so say goodbye to clunky appliances taking over your kitchen. And cleaning? A breeze! The nonstick basket and crisper plate practically beg for a quick wipe down. Get ready to indulge in delicious, guilt-free meals while making a statement in your kitchen. You deserve this kind of culinary freedom. Whew, we made it. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best small air fryers. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which small air fryer you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.